Okay, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to add a new section to your Wix page. This is a quick mock-up I had to create for another course that I'm in. So I'm going to use we'll just use this services page. So say that I wanted to add a new section between this main portion and the footer. So what I would do is go over here to the left and click the plus sign, which is the add button. And this will give you a menu of all the different things you can add onto your page. So I would do strip right here. And then this is going to give you a variety of different pre-made, already customized strips. And so we have like about sections, contact. But if you want to make your own, you'll slide to the bottom and click classic. And you can either click it or drag it over. I'm just going to click it, and it's going to slide that right in there for you. So then if you want to change your background, you click on the change background. Once again, pre-made ones, or you can do your own image or video. I'm going to select this video, click the X, and then once again go over to the plus button to add, and I'll put in a title. Do this title. And then if I want to add a paragraph body, once again text and then a paragraph, we can slide that down here. And so that's how you add a new strip to your or section to your page and add some fun things to it as well. Thanks.